Hello, my loves. It's Catcha, Plannerista 101. I know it's mid-February and it's a little late, but I did wanted to show you all of the spreads from January. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. I'm going to start with my bullet journal, and then we'll go into my social media, my meal planner, my wellness planner, and my catch-all. So let me go ahead and show you all of these. Let's start. And if this is your first time, welcome. I am so happy you found me. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I appreciate you. And let's get going. So this is my 2024 journal. It is just a simple bullet journal from Amazon. Nothing fancy. It was probably like $6 or something like that. It is a bullet journal. So this is the first page. It is January, the goals, and I already reviewed. So no, we didn't have date night and I didn't lose weight. But other than that, I did pretty good. Okay, so this is what was happening in January, and of course my best memory. So I was sick for 2 weeks. I had a whooping cough. That was not fun. But I did have fun with my planners a lot. We had Christmas party for my boyfriend's family, and then my mom had a knee replacement. So those are like the most important memories from the month. Then watching flip through videos of planners, listening to podcasts and audiobooks, and then reading Crush by Tracy Wolf. And then my best memory was our family Christmas in January. And then this is what my journaling pages look like. I made another PR team. My little dog makes me so happy. Like, he is seriously the highlight of my life right now. Him and my boyfriend. Okay, so sick. Slowly improving. This was so bad. But these flowers, you guys, these like holographic ones, are from, I want to say, AliExpress. And then these, I don't know, I don't remember where they're from. And I wrote my favorite quote: "You can't wait for the storm to pass. You need to learn to dance in the rain." And then I made these like Dutch door type of things with clear edge. So I'll show you what those look like, the organized home. Then I just made a to-do list in here because I had a lot to do and it worked. And then I wrote about Saturday and Sunday. That was the family party. And look at these like washies. They're beautiful, right? And then I wrote every day and made kind of little boxes and adore them with flowers. This is like a big washi tape. You do have to cut it yourself. And then the words are from like this little weird book like this, where I cut out words when I need them. So that's where this is from. And then that's the last day of January. And then because I don't, sometimes I journal every day, sometimes I don't. So these I was journaling every day. Then we have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I did Monday through Wednesday. So it just depends. And then I wrote things that make me happy: spending time with Alec, playing with Toa plus cuddles, planning and playing with stickers, dinner with girlfriends, spending time with my sister, drinking wine, cooking, a good book, podcasts, bath with bubbles, funny videos, a good pen, journaling, hosting, and decorating home. Okay. And then we have February. By the way, these stickers are from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. I bought a whole year of them. So we're going to be adding these to the bullet journal every month. So February obviously is not over, so I'm not adding anything in here until it's over. But I did set up goals. So that's going to be happening. Look, I added this in little Westies. They're so cute. And then these flowers are from Live Love Pasha, I believe. Okay, these are from Planet Darby. And I made a Dutch door like this. It is so cool, you guys. And then these banners are from Planet Darby too. So, but look how cute this came out. So Valentine's Day, we did get a gift for our little puppy. Productive, Super Bowl Sunday. So I wrote all of those things. And that's already February. So we'll get back to it when February is over. But that's what I have in my bullet journal right now. Let me show you the rest of the planners. So this one is my social media. I do not film videos in this, but whenever the month is over, I will show you what it looks like. So I did a currently page, and here it is from Red Lyrics. I used like kind of cozy wintry stickers with some snowflakes. I think that came out really good. What I track on these is 4 top videos of the month. So that's kind of what I do. This is Hello Winter from Live Love Posh, and I used that in my planner, and I think that came out really good too. I love the oranges and the flowers mixed in together. It was such a fun combo. And then obviously I've been tracking the videos that I put out. So this is the simple layout. So it has like 1 week and the second week. So what I did, because I like this layout a lot and I thought it's gonna work, these pages are from Live Love Posh. It's like a quad. So I'll show you how that, like what I do with it. So I track what to film, what to edit, pictures, reel and TikToks, stuff like that. On this side, I put all the videos that came out on a particular day or the video I need to release and so on. So this is, yeah, week of January 1st through the 7th. So this is from Live Love Posh. It's one of her older books, like from winter, and I just used it and I really like how simple it looks. Okay, this is Planet Darby. It's her blue blooms, like clusters, and her boxes. So I used that to decorate, and this one has a quote says, "Be intentional." This one is Plant Babe from Live Love Posh, and still tracking the same stuff. This one is really fun. It's like homey and cozy and different. This is Seasons of Color from the Happy Planner. I just wanted to use something different, so that's what it was. And then you get a note page. I didn't use it, and that's February's currently. And then the rest is in my Catcha. So I carry a separate planner and I only use a month out of these. If you guys follow me and watch me, you already probably know that. Okay, so this one is my meal planner. So let me show you this one. My currently page is not done because I don't use them. This is Cozy Winter from Aesthetic Plants, and I love these stickers. I know they're still a little bit Christmassy because they have the pine and stuff, but I thought that was kind of like nice and dark for January because the days are so short. Okay, then it comes with this recipe, ingredients, and grocery list. So instead what I do, I give myself ideas. So I have breakfast ideas, lunch ideas, dinner ideas, soups and stews, and snack ideas. So, and then I do grocery lists. So then when I'm cooking or making a meal plan, I can look in here for ideas instead of like searching. Okay, so this is couple things. These and the snow trees are winter blooms from Live Love Posh, and then snowflakes are from Red Lyrics. I thought that kind of pulled everything together. Let's see. So I started eating protein shakes, and a couple bento boxes and stuff like that. We normally don't have breakfast on Sunday. We have a brunch. But yeah, that turned out such a fun little spread with the blues. Then this is Summer Punch Blue from Planet Darby. And then this is a washi tape, like a huge roll that I have. You do have to cut it yourself, so it's a little bit of a pain. But honestly, they're so beautiful, it doesn't really matter. And the stickers from Darby are so pretty. So I had toast for breakfast every single day and salad for most lunches, and then I planned the dinners. Yeah. This one is Plant Babe from Live Love Posh. I love plants in my planner, especially when it's like dark and gloomy outside. I think they make me so happy. This is my dream greenhouse, but I don't have one, but it's okay. I will live, right? But these stickers just make me so happy. see what I have: arroz con pollo, stuffed peppers, chickpeas stew, chicken gnocchi soup, tacos or tostadas, and then we had leftovers. So yeah, that was a pretty good week. These stickers are also from Planet Darby, and they're like the ice skating. I thought that was so much fun. I added washi to kind of spread stuff. So we have rice cake and fruit, protein shakes, hard-boiled eggs, lots of leftovers, pork tacos, fish with green beans over rice, stir fry with chicken, chicken pot pie, goulash, seafood pasta, and chicken gnocchi soup. Yeah, and that's February. Currently, I haven't written anything in it. I still might like write favorite recipes from the month or something like that. I decided to decorate it because I do like decorated pages in here. So that is my meal planner. This is called Cooking 101. This one is an outdated planner. As you can see, it's July 2021 to December 2022. But I use it as my meal planner. So I set some goals in here. This is Woodland Creatures from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. These are so cute, you guys. Like, I am obsessed with the blue and this little guy and the trees. Like, it's so cute. Look at the fox, the little raccoon, the skunk, the squirrel. Like, all of it is freaking adorable. The hedgehog, like, I could not stop using them. So I really love it. Check it out. I mean, it's great for winter, but it's really great for anytime. If you're going camping or anything like that, I think these are great. Then these are just not super happy with this one. It's just winter blooms, nothing special. From Live Love Posh, I just used up stickers. I don't use this monthly, so it was kind of like, okay. I wasn't eating much here because I got so sick. However, this spread is so cute. It's verse planning, Posh Winter from Live Love Posh, dated from Mojo Jojo, and then this is what it came out like. And this girl is from Red Lyrics. So many little stickers that made this spread, and I really like it. And then this one, I wasn't eating because I was so sick, so I kind of made a bucket list instead. So I did Hello Winter, Live Love Posh. So yeah, so that was kind of a fun spread. It turned out so beautiful. So, and then this one is gorgeous as well. This is Floral Fitness from Live Love Posh. Okay, so what I track normally when I actually do track it, and so I track whether I took my medication, how I was feeling, how much I slept, how much I walked, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. So yeah, so that is it. This is my favorite spread in this planner of the month. This is from Cozy Winter from Aesthetic Plans. I highly recommend her stickers. I just love them. But I'm tracking the same exact things. And then here is the February currently. So this planner in general is the most beautiful dividers, you guys. So I wanted to use it because even though it's outdated, I can just redate it. So as you can see, I've been redating every week. No big deal. Okay, and then the last one is my catch-all. This is an 18-month planner, but I'm just using the 12 months. So this is called Moody Florals. This is my currently page. It is Nordic Lights from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. So I was reading Crush by Tracy Wolff, and the second Miss Astor. It's a true story about Titanic. Watching Fool Me Once, Who Are We Running From, listening to Criminal, Gastropod, and This Is Love. Those are one of my 3 top podcasts, by the way. Celebrating birthdays and still Christmas, planning home stuff plus declutter, cooking pasta, fajitas, and fruit. It's cooking and eating. Okay. Like cooking fruit doesn't make sense. Okay, so I created this. I didn't have a couple things when I created this on the video, and then I went back and added some things. So there's washi all around with the blue, and I think that looks good. And then I took a gold striped washi and I marked when I was sick. So I got sick here and I was sick until the 19th. Like I couldn't leave the home. So that was that. That was interesting. And this is Hello Winter from Live Love Posh. And I did a New Year's spread, and I think that came out so good. The gold and the pink are so good, and then the washi kind of brings in everything together. So I really like how that looks. I love these girls, these two, and the little touches are fun. This one is sticker day and my sister's birthday on the same day, but yeah. Live Creatively from Happy Planner and Crafty Planner from Live Love Posh. I combined those two, and I think this came out so like happy and colorful, and then I added some washi, and I think that really worked. Then this one is from Planet Darby. I made an extra sheet for like daily stuff that I needed to do. So yeah, these little birds are from her, and these circles are from Planet Darby, and so are the quotes. I added those. And then these boxes and bulletproof points. I don't know if they're from Live Love Posh or if they're from Mojo Jojo. Either one. This is a versed planning and Love Blooms from Live Love Posh. So I took all of the active ingredients from Live Love Posh, the checklist, the boxes, and the days. And then everything else is from Versed Planning. So you have the girl, you have all of these little details, the flowers, the little flags, all of that. So, and then I did a grateful list. So yeah, that was pretty good. That was a busy week though. And then this is the February currently that I'm going to be working on when the February month is over. I'm just going to pop this in because I love those birds in here. But that is all I have for you guys. We went through quite a few planners. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know what you think. Let me know what was your favorite spread. Let me know if you have any ideas or if you think I should be changing some stuff. And I'll see you soon for another video. Thanks for watching.